In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit custom HTML email template on Mailchimp. If you want more control over the appearance of your email campaigns, using a custom HTML template is one of the best ways to create a professional and fully customized design. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of preparing your HTML template, importing it into Mailchimp, and making final edits before sending it to your audience. Before opening Mailchimp, the first thing you need to do is prepare your HTML email file properly. Make sure your template is saved as a single HTML document so it's easier to manage and upload later. If your design includes images, those images should already be uploaded to a web server or cloud storage platform. Inside your HTML code, use absolute image URLs so the images load correctly for everyone who receives the email. Another important thing to remember is that Mailchimp works best with inline CSS styling. Instead of placing style rules inside the head section of the document, apply your styles directly to the individual elements. This helps improve compatibility across different email clients and ensures your email keeps a consistent appearance when opened on various devices and platforms. Once your HTML file is ready, log into your Mailchimp account and head over to the Campaign section from the left side navigation menu. This is where you can create and manage all your email marketing campaigns. From there, click on Create Campaign and select the Email option to continue. For this example, choose a regular email campaign. After selecting the campaign type, move to the Content section and click on Design Email. This will open the Mailchimp email editor where you can begin customizing the layout. To insert your custom HTML template, drag a code block into the email editor. Once the block appears, you'll have access to an HTML editor where you can paste the contents of your prepared HTML file. Carefully copy and insert your code into this section. After pasting the HTML, review the template and make any final adjustments directly within the editor if needed. This is a good opportunity to fix spacing, update text, or adjust small design details before saving the template. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close to apply your changes. Next, use Mailchimp's preview and test tools to check how your email will appear before sending it out. This step is extremely important because it allows you to confirm that your layout, images, and formatting display correctly across desktop and mobile devices. Finally, send a test email to yourself so you can review the template in different email clients and on different screen sizes. This extra check helps you ensure your campaign looks polished and professional for every recipient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.